Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Brosep's Garage. I'm on my way right now to pick up the front bumper for the NSX. It is all painted and fresh and ready to go. So stick around and enjoy the episode. Alright guys, welcome back. So we just picked up the front bumper from the paint booth, looking mint, super shiny. I'm super happy with how it came out. Sitting in the back of the truck there. Later on this afternoon or this evening, Yankee the painter, he's going to come by and help me install it, and then we'll get the car back down on the wheels, and it should be looking mint. I'm going to be super happy, I think, for this car season, the way it's looking on the outside. I got a few pieces that I need to work on the inside. I got to get a new window switch and mounting plate because mine's fallen down. Other than that, I think it's going to be a great car year. Hopefully get to a lot of meets and meet new folks, see old faces, and looking forward to upcoming car shows. So we'll see you guys in a little bit here. Just driving, which I shouldn't be videoing and driving, but you know how it works. So hang tight and we'll get to installing this bumper. Alright guys, so we're back now. We got the bumper in behind, just waiting for my buddy Yankee to show up, and he's gonna help install it with me. So stay tuned. Quick update here. We got one side skirt on, thanks to my man Yankee back here. He's able to come over tonight and help me out get this side skirt on. So you can see here, it's hard to see, but we're having problems with the other side. The driver's side does not want to line up because the fenders are just a tad short here. You can see the gap there. So we're trying to figure out a way to mount the side skirt to the car right now. So that's where we're at. Alright guys, welcome back. The car is put back together. It looks amazing. The front bumper came out perfect. Fenders look amazing and the side skirts look great too. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. It looks aggressive. It really does with the carbon exposed. Still, part of me wishes I painted it, but we'll see. We can always paint it next year, right? We'll run it for this car season and go from there. So that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe if you want for more videos coming up on the NSX in the future. Have a great night. Peace.